Hi, it's so good to see you again. Thanks for coming back. So today, I know I'm all done up, and it's all thanks to LashyBox. That sounded like a sponsorship, right? It's not. You want to see how I got this fabulous? Stay tuned. Look how tiny it is. It's so cute. This runs $13.99 monthly and usually includes 2 to 3 super fluffy premium lashes. You don't even know how to put on lashes. I know I don't. That's why I got the LashyBox, so I could practice. And since they're supposed to be super fluffy, I know they're going to be lashes that I like. So that's good. Opening up the box. First thing included is, ooh, nice. I wanted this. They included a tool. That is the lash applicator. It's metal and it has the LashyBox on it. And it also comes with a pair of scissors so you can trim lashes. So the box didn't include a card, so I basically just looked up the pricing online. The lash applicator runs $4.99. I know, I'm doing my raccoon face, but I liked how it turned out the last time, so I decided to do it again. They actually included a palette, which I thought was super cool. Jacky Luvv, and this is Poppin'. And I'll put a little dot right there of the last palette I got, which was Rich. Alright, and that is Poppin'. And there is a mirror included as well, but I'm just not showing it at the moment. And this is Sour. Holy shit. I mean, wow. Yeah, there's a lot of pigment and a lot of fallout. Sweet. Oh, Sweet looks cute. Tang. And this is Raspberry. Oh, Tang looks almost exactly like, yeah, it looks exactly like Flawless from Rich. Flawless and Tang. Meh. Alright, Tang's a little deeper. Alright, let's play with these colors. I'm like really surprised that they included a palette. This runs $18.99. Tang. It's okay. I'm not like blown away by it. After using her last palette, it doesn't really like do anything for me this time around. Sweet. I'm just trying to blend that in with Tang. It's very bright. I know if I'd put down a base, it would be like popping like crazy. But I'm just trying to blend them together. And it's looking okay. I went in with Sour. That's how I'm starting to feel about this palette. I went over it again with a white base just because the blue and the green just weren't showing up. There was nothing that I could do to make them show up. It looks a lot better. LashyBox itself, look at those lashes. Those are crazy. These are 3D Premium Mink in Sriracha. And these run $24.99 from Ruby May. And look at those. Those are just as fluffy and full. Holy crap. 3D Premium Lashes in the style Twiggy. And these run $5.99. So which lashes do you think I should try on for this video? The other pair, I'll try it on in my next video. I don't know. I can't tell. I can't tell. Well, since we're doing LashyBox, let's do LashyBox. I put the lashes on and this is what they look like. They are just too much. I feel like a drag queen. They're like way too much for what I was planning on. I mean, they look fabulous, but they are way too much. They are actually really light. They're not that soft, but they feel too big for my face. They feel like they're about to just pop off any second, but that could be because of me. That was a total value of $54.96. If you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll leave a link down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.